saying. Now that video just stopped. I don't know why it stopped. Ah, it's not on very well. I don't know. Okay. Aha, so this is the question. Let's continue. Ah, ah. I really imagine she will. Okay. So I bend my head. Okay, let's just finish up. Now, in this question here, there are ways which we can solve this question, but the method which I will be employing here is that I'll first of all take the both system. I'll combine Kehinde and Farida together. I'll take them as one. I'll take them as just one person. Kehinde and Farida they are just one person. So let's take that first. So if we are taking Kehinde and Farida, we are combining them together. We are merging Kehinde and Farida. Farida will just enter Kehinde. Kehinde will just kill her. So we combine them together. So that means we have a total mass of 10 kilograms. Now, if that is the case, this oh my god. Sorry. If that is the case, since we are taking both Kenny and Farida as just a system, that means that, and you can see the direction of the motion of the object. You see the direction from that rope 2, the way the force is being applied by Mr. Anyafe. That 25 Newton force is applied in the direction of that arrow of rope 2. Now that means the direction the both Kenny and Farida, they are moving rightward towards the right direction. So if they are moving towards the right direction, the force you apply is positive. The force you apply is what? You applied is positive. Now, as we all know, the frictional force will oppose the direction of the motion. Frictional force will oppose the direction of the motion. So that will be negative. That will be negative. So our frictional force is F equals to UR. So our U is mu, while our U is mu, while our R mg. Our mass is 10. 7 plus 3, 10 kilogram times the G, which I took to be 10 here also. So I 10 is 100. So then we got our blah 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 blah. Then you got your acceleration. So that E you got there is the what? Acceleration of the system. And the system we're having here is the combination of Farida and Kehinde Areo. Aha. So they will only move with Kai. It's small. They will be moving at a rate of 1.3 meters per second square. Kai. Maybe because Kehinde is big, sure. If it were to be only Farida, they're moving with like 5 or 15 meters per second square. So. Okay. So now we want to consider the tension we are getting. Okay, before let me quickly explain this to you. The force that is being applied by Mr. Anyafe is only affecting 7 kg. It's only affecting Kehinde because the force applied directly on Kehinde. The force of rope 1, which is connecting both 7 kg and 3 kg, connecting both Farida and Kehinde, is just the force that is due to the third law of motion that says that what, for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. Now, as this rope 2 is drawing rope 1, as rope 2 is drawing as Kehinde is drawing Farida, that force that Kehinde is using drawing Farida will also use that same. Will also apply. There will also be a reaction force on Kehinde also, as because let's take it as if you want to lift an object up, while you are lifting that object up, the object is also trying to pull. The weight of the object is also pulling down on you. So you can only lift an object up after you've been able to balance off the weight of the object. Okay, if that is not explanatory enough, when you blow a wall, if you blow it small, it will pain you small. If you blow it small harder again, it will pain you small harder again. If you blow it hard, it will pain you hard. If you blow it hard, it also pain you what hard. So because what the wall is exerting an equal and opposite reaction on your hand also. So the amount of force you are applying to the wall will also apply that same equal force on your own hand again. So it's do me and do you man over. So you understand. So now because the force the force that the 7 kg is now using to draw that 3 kg, the 3 kg will also use that same force and oppose the motion of that 7 kg also. That just if you don't understand, you can meet me later. Guys, that I can say it for now before this one go long. So now we are now taking you can either take either of the two masses as a case study. Since that rope is joining them together, you can either take Farida as a case study or you take Kehinde as a case study. But that is too small for me. She's an Okpelenge, so I'll be taking Kehinde, which has a thicker body. I'll be taking Kehinde as my own case study. You can try to take Farida as your choice. So and Farida is stubborn. Kehinde is not stubborn. So I'm taking Kehinde as a case study. Since I'm taking Kehinde as a case study, Kehinde has a mass of 7 kg. So, and Kehinde is moving towards in the direction of rope 2. Let me see which one I do first then. Now, the force applied on Kehinde here is F. That's the force that you apply on Kehinde in the direction of rope. And the things that are opposing the direction of motion is what? Number one, the frictional force. And frictional force is what UR. U there is given in the question, and the R, which is mg. So 7 times g, that gives us 8.4. A calculator. Let me confirm this. It's not that I solve this question. Oh, F minus UR. Okay, sorry. The U there, where is the U? 0.12. Okay. 0.12 times 7 times 10. Okay, yeah, 8.4. So minus. So also, this is where me. Also, what is opposing the motion of Kehinde also is the tension force. That tension is the force that Farida is using is the reaction force of Farida on Kehinde. So that is also the what? That is the tension there. It then equals to the what? Net force, which is MA. So if you solve, you arrive at your answer at 7.5 Newton. And that is it. Oh, volume. So that is just about that. So I hope you understand. And if you don't understand, you can say forward your questions to me. So also the SS1 students, Yinka, Ogechi, Adiola, and the rest of you. I hope you guys understand. If you have any questions, just forward it to me before tomorrow. Your test tomorrow. Your test tomorrow will be basically on this type of questions. So prepare hard on them. I want to increase you guys cognitively. You understand? Till then, till tomorrow, stay home, stay safe. Much love from Mr. Ibrahim. I love you all. Bye. I'm not going yet. This is not to go. Okay.